Hello friends, welcome to CSL. So we will continue today to the lecture number 2, it's Riveted Connection, and we will see some numericals based on the riveted connection. Guys, if you have missed my previous lectures, please go through it because it will be essential to solve the problems of these numericals. Okay, so let's start. So now this question came in the polytechnic examination. I think it's 2016 most probably, I am not sure, but it came, and similar question and came also in the B.Tech examination. So this is one of the most common question of rivet joint. Please see carefully how to approach this type of numericals. Okay, now before starting, okay, we have to assume any numerical. Read the question and find out what is given and what is not. Okay, so the question is that a double riveted double cover butt joint is used to connect plates of 10 mm thick by using 20 mm dia rivets. Suggest a suitable pitch and find the efficiency of the joint. Okay, so it's not mentioned what type of driven, whether it's power driven or hand driven. Okay, what are the permissible values of axial tension, shear and bearing, it's also not mentioned here. তো আমি কি করিম, ফার্স্টত এজিউম করিম. ওকে, সো যদি ইফ ইট ইজ পাওয়ার ড্রিভেন হয়, ওকে, তো আমি কি করিম, সিগমা এস টি যেটো আমার এক্সিয়াল টেনশনৰ আছে উইল কনসিডার ইজ 0.6 FY. ওকে, তাও বিএফ এটো হবে তোমার এক্সিয়াল টেনশন, তাও বিএফটো হয় shearing or corner. Let us consider is 100. Okay, 100 Newton per mm square, and sigma PF, the bearing stress, it's been taken as 1.2 FY. Okay, it's for power driven. If it is hand driven, consider sigma ST as same, tau VF consider as 80 Newton per mm square, and sigma PF, that means bearing, considered as FY. Okay, so what is FY? FY is the yield stress of the steel. Okay, and in steel structure we mostly consider the mild steel Fe 250. So for here, what will be the FY? It will be 250 Newton per mm square. So this value become 0.6 of 250 is 150. This becomes 300. Okay, this again 150, and this becomes 250. Okay, so and all are in Newton per mm square. So I think you should know how to assume these values, and if it is not given in the question that whether it is power driven or hand driven like the above question, so please consider power driven. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Okay, now, okay, what are the data that been given in the question? It's said that double riveted double cover butt joint used 10 mm thick by using 20 mm rivets. Okay, so it's double these are the two plates, plate number 1, 2, these are the cover plate. Okay, and how many rivets are used? 2 rivets, 1, 2. Okay, what is the thickness of the plate that's been given? It's 10 mm. Dia, nominal dia D naught is given as 20 mm. So if the nominal dia is 20 mm, what will be the diameter of the hole? If you have seen my previous lecture, it will be 20 plus 1.5. ঠিক আছে, মানে 1.5 ক্লিয়ারেন্সৰ কাৰণে দিব লাগে, so it will be 21.5 mm. Okay, anything else that's been given? Nothing. So first, then you have to assume the values. What will you assume? Power driven rivets. So for power driven, what will be sigma ST? It will be 150 Newton per mm square. Tau VF will be 100 Newton per mm square. Sigma PF it's 1.2 Fi, which is 300 Newton per mm square. So these values you have to assume. Okay. Now, so how to approach? What is, we have to find out strength of the joint, okay, efficiency and pitch. So to find the strength of the connection, we have to find two things: strength of plate and number 2, strength of joint. Okay. So if we find out the strength of plate, PT is given as, if you have seen my previous lectures, is given as sigma st into P minus D into T. Okay. So sigma st we have considered is 150. P we do not know, this is the pitch, we do not know, you have to find out. D is given as 21.5, thickness is given as 10, okay, but we do not know P. So let this be equation, not equation, so let this be Roman 1, we will find out later. Okay. Next, have to find out strength of joint. Okay. So first one will be shearing. Shearing will be formula N into tau BF into pi by 4 to D square. What is N? Number of shear plane. Okay. So in this diagram, in double cover bar joint, what are the number of shear plane? Is 2, because this is one the shear plane and in below there is another shear plane. So N will be 2. So 2 into tau BF consider 100 to pi by 4 into 21.5 whole square. This is comes out to be around 72610 Newton. Okay, but this is for one rivet, but in the question it's given double rivet. So what will be the shearing stress force? It will be 2 into 72610, which is given as 145220 Newton. Guys, please check the calculation. Okay, I can make a mistake, so if I have done any calculation wrong, please tell in the comments. Okay. Now number B, it's bearing. Okay, so bearing is given as sigma PF into D into T. Sigma PF is 300, D is 21.5, T is 10. Okay, this comes out to be around 64500 Newton. Again, this is for one rivet. So for two rivet, PB will be 2 into 64500, which is equal to 129,000 Newton. Okay. So the strength of joint is also known as what? Rivet value. Okay. So rivet value is the least value of shearing and bearing. So what will be the rivet value in this one? One is coming 145220 and another is coming 12900. So rivet value will be 129,000 Newton. Okay. But this is not the answer. We have to find the pitch. So, but the pitch, if the strength of plate, the pitch is not been confirmed, so we cannot find the strength of plate. So what we will do, when the pitch is not given, we will equate the strength of plate with the rivet value. Okay. Why? Because see, design means we have to find the weakest link. Okay. So the rivet value is the least of the two value shearing and bearing. So the strength of plate we have considered it cannot be more than that, it can be always less than that. So first of all we will equate with the rivet value, then we can reduce the pitch. Okay, this is the method. So if we have equate the value, it will be PT equal to 129,000, that means sigma ST into P minus T T 129,000. Okay, sigma ST is 150, P we don't know, it's 21.5, it's 10, 129,000, so P minus 21.5, it will be 129,000. Just do it, okay, by yourself. You will find P equal to 107.5. okay, as per my calculation. It's just simple equation. Okay, it's just simple equation, just cancel it out and you will get around, this is 86, so 86 plus 21.5, it's 107.5. now this is the pitch we have gathered, but we have to reduce the pitch. Okay, so adopt whatever the values of pitch will get, just reduce it to a nice value, or you can say round of value. So 100 mm, or you can also reduce to 90 mm also, but I think 100 mm is a round of good value. Okay, so P we have assumed as adopt 100 mm. Okay, now so what will be the strength of plate? PT will be 150 into 100 minus 21.5 into 10. Okay, so what we will get? Just do the calculation. It will be around 117,750 Newton. Okay, so this is the strength of plate. So last we have to find out eta. It's the list of the three PT, PS and PB divided by P. P is given as solid plate thick strength, which is sigma ST into P into T. So list, if you can see, it's one is 145,220, 129,000, another is 117,750. So this will be the list of the three, 117,750, and if you calculate this one, P will get 150 into P is 100, it's 10, you will get around 150,000. So it is coming as 0.785, or you can say 78.5%. So this is the end of the numerical. Okay, so I think you have understood how to approach this type of numerical. If you have any doubt, please mail to us, or you can write in the comment section. Okay, so let us go to the next numerical. Okay, so it's given as a triple riveted double cover butt joint is used. Okay, again so how many rivets are used? 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, triple riveted double cover butt joint is used to connect plates of 20 mm thick with cover plates 12 mm thick. Okay, now there's one interesting thing you will get. There are two types of thickness. One is for plate it's 20 mm, for cover it's 12 mm, okay, and diameter is given, it's same 20 mm. So if it is 20, what will be the whole diameter? You have to add 1.5, so it will be 21.5. Pitch it's given 80 mm, okay. So how to find the thickness, which thickness you will take, whether you will take this one or this one. So for this you have to see one thing, the thickness of plate is 20 mm, okay. So this thickness is given as 20 mm. The thickness of cover is 12 mm, one cover is 12 mm, but in this numerical how many covers are there? There are two covers, double cover, 1, 2. So total thickness of cover will be 2 into 12, 24 mm, okay. So one is coming as 20 mm, another one is coming as 24 mm. Take the least of the two. So we will adopt thickness equal to 20 mm, okay. So next we have to, what we have to find out? Find the strength of the joint and efficiency. So you have to find out PT, PS, PB, okay. Then you have to find out efficiency. What is least of PT, PS, PB? Okay, least divided by P. P is given as sigma ST, then it's P into T, okay. So everything is given, and assume sigma ST as the previous one 150, tau BF 100, and sigma PFS bearing one is 300. And if you just calculate this, so you will get this one as 175,500 Newton, okay, 217,830 Newton, you will get 387,000 Newton, okay. So the least one is this one, so put this one in the value, find one the P, and you will get efficiency around 73.125. So please do this as a homework for your practice, and so if you get the answer, just tell in the comment box if it is you have got the answer or not, okay. So I will not do it, it's easy, similar to the previous one, okay. But if you face any problem, just let me know, I will give this solution in the next lectures, okay. Now this question is to how to design a rivet, okay. So this question has been came I think in the ASTU paper or GU paper, I don't remember, to design the rivet and find the efficiency, okay. So nothing is given, no diameter of rivet, only given the double cover, butt joint is used, and thickness of plate is given, okay. So and you have to find everything, pitch, then strength, efficiency, diameter, everything, okay. So if the diameter is not given and thickness is given as 16 mm, diameter is not given, nominal diameter it's not given. So there is one formula, please note it down, I have not mentioned in the theory part, it's called I-win formula to find the diameter, nominal diameter of rivet. It's an empirical formula, it's given as 6.04 root T, okay. So please mention this 6.04 into root 16, which is around 24.16 mm diameter of nominal diameter of rivet. But this empirical formula gives a little higher value always, so we have to reduce it. So if it is given as 24.16, so try to adopt 22 mm. Don't adopt 23 mm because there is no such rivets as 23. There can be 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. So if you got 24.16, try to adopt the lower value. D naught is 22 mm. So if D naught is 22 mm, what will be the diameter of hole? It will be 22 plus again 1.5, which is 23.5 mm. Okay. Again, assume it's power driven. Sigma ST assume is 150, tau BF assume as 100, sigma PF assume as 300. Okay. Next, what we have to do? We have to find out shear. We have to find out the strength of joint. So again, find strength of plate PT. It's given as sigma ST into P minus D into T. Okay, 150. P we don't know pitch. We have to assume D is 23.5. Thickness is, it's given in 16. Okay, so but we don't know, let it be Roman 1. For shearing, okay, so consider is single rivet. Okay, it's not given in the question, so consider single rivet. So PS is given as N tau VF to pi by 4 to T square. Again double cover bar joint, so it's 2, it's 100 pi by 4 into 23.5 whole square, around it will get 86750 Newton. Find the bearing. Bearing it's given as sigma PF into D into T. So it's 300 into 23.5 into 16, you will get around 112800 Newton. Okay. So again rivet value will be the least of the two, 86750 Newton. So now if you have to find the pitch, what we'll do, we'll equate it. Okay, so we'll equate 150 into P minus 23.5 into 16 is equal to 86750. So if you find it, you will get P around 59.65 mm. Please find out. Okay, I will not do the calculation because it's easy, just do as the previous one. So you will get P equal to 59.65. okay. Now what we will assume? If we assume P equal to 50, will it be correct? No, there comes the minimum value of P. If you have seen my previous lecture, you will see that the minimum value of P is given as 2.5 D. So 2.5 D here is 22, you will, it's 55 mm. So minimum we have to provide 55 mm, not less than that. Okay, you can, it can be more than that. So you have to take a value 55 around to 59.5. So take P equal to around 55 mm. Okay, and then the sigma PT value will be 150 into 55 minus 23.5 into 16. So if we do this, you will get 55 minus 23.5 into 16, it's around 75600 Newton. Okay, so what is the least? To find the efficiency, you have to take the least one. So the least is the one at in the plate, 75600. Here the solid plate strength is 150 into 55 into 16, which is around 132. Okay, 132000. So if we find the ratio, what will be the answer? 132000, it will be around 57.27%. Okay, so this is the answer to design a rivet. So for design, we have assumed, we have got the nominal diameter 22 mm, pitch we have assumed 55 mm, and the efficiency we got as 57.27%. So this is the answer. Okay, so that's the end of the riveted connection numerical. Next we will continue with some theory on the bolted connection and its numericals. Thank you. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more civil engineering videos. The lectures on hydraulics and concrete technology has already been uploaded, so you can follow, and please keep liking CSL. Thank you.